What's up? I'm Jack Nowell. I play rugby for the Exeter Chiefs and I'm lucky enough to represent my country, England.
Jack Nowell somehow skips free, and here's Jack Nowell into the corner. And surely pointing the way for England to the World Cup quarter-finals.
What attracts me about cooking over charcoal? Probably the main fact is you're outside. Everyone loves barbecuing, there's so many different ways to do it, but yeah, for me the charcoal, the taste, the smell.
Is there a better sound than that?
It's kind of the only way you can create that kind of smoky flavour. You can't recreate it with anything, especially not inside. I'm originally from Cornwall. All of my family members, my dad, my uncles, my granddads, all fishermen, always had the family business. I'm actually the first Nowell to have not carried on that fishing tradition. Chose the path of rugby, moved up the county to Devon, so I started playing when I was about 4 or 5. Went up through the age groups in my local team, joined a rugby college, loved it. Exeter Chiefs came in my first year and said, look, if you want to take this seriously, carry on going the way you're going, we can offer you a contract at the end of your 2 years. So that was kind of the incentive for me to get my head down, get my work done, but hopefully I could play rugby for a living. I think that was 10 years ago now. Lived in Devon ever since, been lucky enough to go on and represent my country, and then played in the British and Irish Lions side against New Zealand. Been a bit of a whirlwind, but yeah, still loving it and still enjoying myself. I'd say there's been a few setbacks for me, I think solely down to injury. I've had a few injuries, I've had 9 operations now, I'm 27, but I kind of think it's the way I play rugby, and if it wasn't for that way then probably wouldn't have made it as far as what I have. But it's kind of all part of it, you know. I started playing rugby thinking that this could happen, and it does happen to a lot of players, but you know, for me it's kind of the way I use it, try and get back. And there's a lot you can work on when you are injured, you know. I'm currently injured at the moment, but there's so many other things I enjoy doing, like I say, cooking. Then when I do get back and I am eventually fit, I enjoy it a lot more. Right, you're going to have to jump down now.
No.
Yeah, you have to go inside.
I don't.
Daddy needs 2 hands there. Do you want mushrooms on there? Yeah? You do. I do remember growing up around barbecues a lot. I remember my family used to have a built-in barbecue, which is quite cool. Literally a grill in between 2 bricks. But the majority of my stuff growing up was probably barbecues on the beach. You know, obviously being from Cornwall, we're surrounded by, you know, so many beautiful places that we'd quite often, you know, be down there till 9, 10 o'clock at night. And that'll be our dinner as well. We'd take our barbecue down, we'd take our burgers, our sausages, you know, the standard sort of stuff. But be down there till the sunset, yeah, and enjoy our food. A lot of sausages dropped in the sand in my time, but you know, that's probably where I found my love for it, to be honest. So I'd say what inspires my never settle attitude. For me, obviously playing rugby and stuff, I find when you say you settle, you get comfortable. And for me at rugby, you always need to get better. You know, you've always got players behind you. You're always trying to get yourself into a position to either be starting or to be in a team or to represent your country or different things like this. So for me, I always try and get better. I always want to try and be the best I can be. That's almost not taking a backward step, I'd say. Ever since I get my Joe, I always thought I'd only cook dinner on there. But I think it was actually in the summer. I actually really enjoy cooking breakfast on there. Anything from waffles, pancakes, fried eggs, the full works. And also I like bringing the family out. The girls like enjoying eating out there. So when the sun's out, table outside, everything and anything on the grill. And then yeah, sit outside in the sun and enjoy your breakfast. I'd say my go-to breakfast. For me, my favourite is pancakes, but I know the girls like the breakfast muffins. So that's what I find myself out here cooking the most. If I wasn't a pro rugby player, I'd probably be a professional chef. Chili. Holy shit. I've just licked my fingers. I've burnt my lips. In my dreams, I would probably be still living in Cornwall and anything to do with the beach. I'd love to be, you know, most of my mates are lifeguards and stuff, so I probably would have gone along that sort of route. But yeah, probably done a bit of season hopping, maybe yeah, staying in Cornwall in the summer, then trying to find the sun somewhere else in the winter. Very good.